So you want to start an AI agency, but maybe you've looked into tools like N8N, Vapi, or even custom code and thought, shit, this is really complex. Well, guess what? It doesn't have to be. There is a simpler way. I'm going to show you exactly how it works. The smarter play is using a pre-built foundation, like GoHighLevel. It's already white label friendly, and with Build Assistants, you can plug in AI agents with no code. And instead of me talking about it, how about I prove it? All we have to do is come into Create Assistant. I'm just going to name this one Sally. I've got a pre-written description here I want to give this assistant. It's just for slicks cuts, a men's barbershop, a bit of information on what I want it to do, the information I need to gather, like first name, email address, and then from there I want it to book in the appointment. So all I have to do is click Generate Now. It's going to go through and generate that for us. Sick. Now Sally is here. If we click into Sally, so we've got the identity here, who the assistant is, etc., etc. The main point we want to get to is down here in the task. So greet the user warmly and introduce yourself as Sally from Slicks Cuts Barbershops. Gather information, what type of cut they want. We don't want it to have any pricing for this one just because I haven't built a knowledge base tied to it. So what we need to collect is first name, email address, phone number. They're calling from this phone number, so we won't do phone number. We've got an address in there. Awesome. So we can save this. I'm just going to add in some tools for this to be able to do. We need it to get availability, book an appointment. We want it to be able to look at the calendar events and see if this person already has an appointment like prior. And then from there, do you want to add in here a simple use the tool create note to summarize. Save that bad boy. Let's go into call settings here. And I just want to make sure opt out of recording and transcript. Recording's enabled, good. Maximum 30 minutes. Coffee shop. Let's turn this down. We want a bit of background noise, but we don't want it to be too bad. Our coffee shop will do well. Post call webhook. Click send. Send to. Did it go through? It went through. Nice. Let's switch our phone number over here to Sally. Good old Sally Sal. So in the call deployment here, all I need to do is change over the assistant in which I want to intercept all incoming calls, and for outbound, everything really. And I'm just going to replace this ID right here. So in the real world, how this would work is when someone calls the business's phone number, the AI would instantly pick up and start communicating. But for the purpose of showing you how well this works in 5 minutes, I'm going to do it a different way. All right, nice. Now when we scroll down to here and do make AI call, watch how well this bad boy works. You'll see nothing change on the screen, but once the call finishes, it'll all update. Call coming through.
Hi there, this is Sally from Split Cuts Barbershop. How can I help you today?
Hey Sally, I'm looking to get a buzz cut, hopefully sometime this week. Do you guys have availability?
Got it. A buzz cut it is. Do you need any additional services like a beard trim or a hot towel treatment? And do you have a specific day or time in mind this week?
I do need a beard trim. For the day, can we do sometime later in the week, maybe Friday this week?
Let me check our availability for Friday this week. We've got plenty of availability this Friday, October 3rd. What time works best for you? We can do anything from 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m.
Can we do the 8 a.m. appointment, please?
Perfect. Let's lock in the 8 a.m. appointment for your buzz cut and beard trim. Could I grab your full name and email address to confirm the booking?
Jonathan Scory, and my email is...
Thanks, Jonathan. Let me confirm your details while I book your appointment. All set. Your appointment is confirmed for Friday, October 3rd at 8 a.m. for a buzz cut and beard trim. We're located at 125 Cut Street, Gold Coast. Please arrive 5 minutes early. Thanks for choosing Split Cuts, Jonathan. See you Friday.
Thanks, Sally. Bye. And so there you go. Once I've ended the call, we can now refresh this and you'll see all my data populate back into here. The transcript will get pulled from this live call here. So when I refresh this, my name and everything will update. Jonathan Scory, my email address, phone number still populated because we used that prior. Don't worry about this. This is sending through because I have an automation set up to send me summaries of conversations. But the important part is down here. So now when we look at this, we can see a full last call transcript, which shows the full conversation between the user. And then we have a last call summary, which is just summarization of that conversation. And then down further, we have call history summaries. So now every single time I call this business, that summary of that conversation will get put back into this call history summary, and it will forever just get condensed and condensed and condensed. So the assistant will then, when you call for the 4th or 5th time, it will be able to say, hey, Jonathan, are you looking to book in a buzz cut? Like, it will know what I'm wanting and preemptively say, do you want to have that service? So it speeds up the whole process. You get a full experience for the customers at a fraction of the price. You're not paying for staff to be working and doing this. And the best part is, if you're an agency owner, you can use Build Assistants, our platform, put on top of GoHighLevel and sell these at scale. And there it is. So you've just watched me build and test an AI assistant in just a few minutes. Using a method like this is exactly how agencies are going to dominate moving into 2026, by using the right systems and not overcomplicating things. So if you take one thing from this video, it's this. AI isn't about being a tech genius. It's about selling outcomes. And with the right tools like Build Assistants, you can start today.